If you need to verify your email in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to get it done, step by step, so you can secure your account, access your settings, and avoid issues with logging in or receiving important account notifications. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it helps to know exactly where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and account guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Epic Games account. You can do this from your browser by going to the Epic Games website and signing in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page for your profile icon. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu, navigate to your account settings. This is where Epic Games keeps your personal account details, security options, and email settings. Once you're on the account page, look for the section labeled Password and Security. Click on that option to open your security settings. Inside Password and Security, you should see options related to account protection and verification. At this point, Epic Games may send a verification code to the email address connected to your account. Check your inbox for the email linked to your Epic Games profile. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well, because verification emails can sometimes land there. Open the verification email and follow the instructions provided. In most cases, you'll either click a verification link or enter a code to confirm that you own the email address. Once that's completed, your email should be verified on the account. Now, here's an alternative method in case you want to change or verify your email from the account information section instead. On your Epic Games account page, find the account information section. Next to your email address, you should see an edit icon that looks like a pen. Click that pen icon to edit the email field. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to update or confirm your email address. Epic Games will again send a verification message to the email you choose, and you'll need to open that message and complete the verification step. This is especially helpful if your old email is no longer active or if you want to make sure the correct address is linked to your account. Once your email is verified, it's a good idea to double check that everything is saved correctly in your account settings. That way, you know your Epic Games account is fully secured and ready to use. Verifying your email can also help with account recovery, security alerts, and access to Epic Games services without interruptions. And that's it. You've now learned how to verify your email in Epic Games, plus the alternate method for changing it through account information. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.